I'll show you how to fix this for WhatsApp Web and if you downloaded WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store. So in WhatsApp Web, to fix this problem, in the top left, you want to click right here, View Site Information. Then you want to click on Cookies and Site Data. And then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. You want to delete everything that comes up here, and then click on Done. Now you want to click on this again, View Site Information. Then you want to click on Site Settings. And then click on Delete Data. And then click on Delete. Now we're going to go back to WhatsApp, reload the page. You want to sign back into your WhatsApp account, then it should be working for you. If you got WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store, then you want to go to Search and type in WhatsApp. Now you want to click on App Settings. Once we're here, you want to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now you want to click on Reset and then click on Reset again. You want to reset the WhatsApp application. Once that's been done, open up WhatsApp, see if that works. If it's still not working, then you want to uninstall WhatsApp and then click on Uninstall. Then you want to re-download WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store. Then it should be working for you.